You can also apply fractal trace by using the legacy fractal filter inside of GIMP. So to do that, you need to go around onto filter right here, and then you need to go around over here onto map right here. So once you go around over here onto map, then you can see that fractal trace legacy is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click on this right here, then what happens is that it opens up a dialog box right here. So instead of seeing the preview right here, you can see the preview over here just like this. Let me just go ahead and then pull this out right here, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and warp it, or you can go around and then, let's say for example, choose black or white right here, or use wrap right here just like this. Let's just go around onto wrap, and then you can change around the x1 as you can see right here just like this. You can choose the x2 as you can see right here just like this. You can go for y1 right here, pull it out and pull this out as well. Change around the depth as well, just like this, according to how you want. And once you're happy with what you see in the preview, just press OK right here, and the fractal trace will be applied just like this. And that is how you can utilize the fractal trace legacy filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.